Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best hammer drill in this video? I will show you the top 3 best hammer drill to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and where to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, 1VIN 2000 watts 10,600 IPM. Specifications. Brand name, 1VIN. Motor type, brushless. Usage, renovation team. Wattage, 2000 to 3999 watts. Power source, battery. Weight, 4 kilograms. Rated input power, 2000 W. No load speed, 3,300 revolutions per minute. Frequency, 6200 R/Minnesota dimensions as picture. Model number, 1VIN. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. The item number 2 is Cordless Electric Impact Drill. Specifications. Brand name, Yofidra. Motor type, brushless. Usage, home DIY. Power source, battery. Rated voltage, 18 volts. Rated input power, 1680 watts. Max. Drilling diameter, 26 mm. Hammer type, rotary hammer. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. No load speed, 0 to 1000 revolutions per minute. Impact rate, 0 to 4800. Motor, brushless motor. On the top of our list at number 1 we have DeWalt DCH-172 Hammer Drill. Specifications. Brand name, DeWalt. Power source, DC. Weight, 2.2 kilograms. Dimensions, 265 by 176 by 73 mm. Model number, DCH-172. Impact energy, 1.4 J. No load speed, 0 to 1060 revolutions per minute. Hammer frequency, 04980 BPM. Best drilling range, 4 to 9.5 millimeters. Vibration level, 8.8 meters per second squared.